This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for August 14th, 2020. Corn market down 3/4 of a cent. Beans choppy, up 3/4, down 3/4. Chicago wheat up 3 1/4. Minneapolis up a half. Kansas City up a quarter. On the week, corn market up 16 3/4. Soybeans up 33 1/4. Chicago up 4 1/2. Minneapolis up 3. Kansas City up 9 3/4. So really a circumstance here where it was a good close to the week, kind of finished on very steady terms, which I think is encouraging to see. But now it's a matter of, can we get up and get these key price counts? For the corn market, we got above 335. Really the area of interest is this gap area around 343 3/4. That's what it would take to fill that. Next price counts after that are 355, 363, and 368. We really think it's going to be important to focus in on this 343 to 355 area here as we work ahead. Beans 920 to 950. We like to kind of round those numbers down off those kind of just even price quotes. So really looking at 917 to 935, that if we can get up here above $9, we open up those targets. But we have encouraged some catch-up marketing here near this $9 level once again. When you look to the feeder cattle market, cash $3 to $4 higher. Really looking at that firmer trade here up towards as high as 107 out of the north here. Dress trade really around this 167 area. Box beef cutouts were on the rise, but exports were a big miss here for the second week in a row. And with domestic demand slowing potentially ahead, that brings a little bit of concern here to that market. Feeder cattle index around 143, and keep in mind we do have a cattle on feed report coming out here next Friday, the 21st, so that'll be of importance. Hog market, on the other hand, you're really looking at circumstance there where cash hogs were steady. Index, right around that, I want to get it quoted correctly, 53.50 mark here. Cutouts were on the rise, but there too, exports were a miss once again. So as you look to the cattle market here on Friday, a little bit weaker was the tone here, but good weekly close with feeders up 120, live cattle up 480, and the hog market up 282 1/2 on the week. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.